Hello guys, Szabi from CodeRevolution here. Today I will show you how to rank your videos higher on YouTube, and it will be using a new feature that was introduced lately by them, the geolocation feature. You might have seen on my videos the location I am filming, so this is it here above the title of the video. If you click it, you will see more videos that are filmed and are uploaded from this location. So here they are. Only I am uploading from my location so far. I added my form on Google My Business, and this is why I am appearing on also on geolocation. Normally here only cities and addresses would be possible to use, but if you have a business that is registered on Google My Business, then you can use also your business name here and upload your videos directly from your location and mark them as filmed and uploaded from there. Okay, so as you can see, if someone clicks on this, then it acts like a hashtag and it lists all videos that are marked and uploaded from this specific location. Also, it is very good for SEO because people recognize you and also know that you are local. And if you have a local business, then you can input here your city or your region, and people will be more likely to interact with you and to leave comments also. So let me show you how to add this here and add the location of the video. To add it, you need to go to the new YouTube studio, clicking here, and now click videos. After, you can click any video you want to edit and click advanced and video location. Here you can type any location you wish. Also, don't forget, if your business is on Google My Business, then your business name will be also available here to list and to enter. So let us search for New York, for example. Let us search for Facebook. You can use also Facebook's location if you wish, but also CodeRevolution is listed because I've listed my business on Google My Business. And if you save settings after you put here your business location or your address or your city or anything you wish, or even your country, then your videos will be marked with the geolocation and will be will have better SEO and more customer interaction. Okay, so this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more similar content, and until next time, bye bye.